Hey everyone, ever found yourself stuck with a tech issue and needed help ASAP? Well, Moog Telecom was a total game changer for me. Imagine this, you're working on an urgent project and boom, software issues. I called up their hotline office and instantly they were on it, guiding me step by step to solve everything. Plus, their website is stacked with cool downloads like Adobe Premiere Pro and essential tools like iObit Driver Booster Pro. Whether it's for study sessions or remote work emergencies, Moog Telecom backs you up. So don't wait up, dial in today and breeze through your tech troubles. Trust me, it's the solution you've been waiting for.